Hi everyone. So today we are here with yet another topic, multiplication of numbers with 11 to 19. So, many times it happens that when we have our question paper in front of us or Olympiads, we have to answer simple questions like what is 12 times 16 or 13 times 15, 19 times 11, and so on. So, this trick is exclusively for such numbers. So, a combination of any number between 11 and 19. That is what I'm going to show you today, how to multiply any number between 11 to 19 with itself. So, for example, here we are having 12 times 15. So, how are we going to solve 12 times 15? Or how are we going to solve 17 times 19? That is what we are going to show in this video here today. So, be here and let's solve them together. So, here the example I've taken is 13 times 15. So, what we have to do, the first step, it's a four-step process. This type of question is a four-step process. So the first step, what we have to do is we have to take the bigger number. So when you have 13 and 15, we have to choose the bigger number. That is 15 is the bigger number here. So we take 15 and the smaller number. Okay, so 15 is the bigger number. We have taken 15 and then the smaller numbers ones digit. Here, 13 is the smaller number, so the ones digit in 13 is 3. So we just have to add the 3 to the 15 and we get a 18. So this is your first step. The second step, what you do is you have to multiply this answer that you got with 10. So 18 times 10, we got 180. That is your second step. Now, third step. What is the third step that you have to do? The ones place. Okay, so you have 13 and 15 in the question. The ones place of both the numbers, that is 3 and 5, multiply them. So 3 5s are 15. So this is your third step. So you got two things. One, you got 180 by adding the bigger number with the ones place of the smaller number. And the second step, you multiply the ones digit of both the numbers. So you got two things. You got 180 and you got a 15. Our last step is that you have to add them. So when you add 180 plus 15, you get a 195, which is your answer. Now let's come back and try this question. 12 times 15. So here the bigger number is 15. So what do? We take 15 and add the 2 to the 15 because 2 is smaller number, 12 is lesser than 15. So this number, the 2, we add it to 15. So we get 17. All right. What is our second step? We multiply the 17 with 10. So we get 170. Now, what is our third step? So what our third step was that we have to multiply the ones digit of both the numbers. So 2 times 5 is 10. And our fourth step was to add both of these numbers that we got. So 170 plus 10, that gives you 180. So here our answer is 180. You have to practice it. Once you practice it, you will be able to do it in your mind and you will be able to do it quickly. Let's try the next one. 17 times 19. So what was the first step? 19 plus 7. Since 19 is the bigger number, 17 is smaller than 19. So we take the ones digit from 17, add it to the 19. And that's how we got 19 plus 7. 19 plus 7 is equal to 26. What is our second step? Our second step is to multiply this with 10. 26 times 10, we get 260. What is our third step? Our third step is that we have to multiply the ones place of both the numbers. So 7 times 9 is 63. And our fourth step, our final step is that we have to add 260 plus 63. So 260 plus 63 gives us. So that's the answer. Wasn't that easy? So here I'm having some more questions for you. I'm going to show you one more question. I'm going to solve it for you. And the remaining ones, you can try them yourself. So the first thing, as we did also the previous questions also, same way, choose the bigger number. In question A, 16 and 18 are there. 18 is bigger, so we write 18 over here. Then the second number is 16, which is smaller than 18. So we only take the ones digit, that is 6, and we write it over here. 18 plus 6 gives us 24. This was our first step. For second step, we will multiply 24 with 10 and we get 240. For third step, we will multiply the ones digit. That is 6 8s are 48. Okay. And our last step, where we get your answer, what do? We add the 240, this one, and 48. 240 plus 48, we get 288, and that's your answer. So 16 times 18 gives you 288. Wasn't that easy? You just have to practice it a lot of times and then you will be able to do them within seconds. Okay, so that's what we have to do. Now there is a small task for you. I want you to solve all of these questions and leave your answers in the comment box. I'm going to see you soon with a new topic. Stay tuned. Bye.